Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Today's my topic is natural vegetation and wildlife from SST in geography. In previous video, I have already discussed at this topic tropical evergreen forest, wildlife, tropical deciduous forest and wildlife. And today I am going to discuss with you temperate evergreen forest and wildlife. Temperate evergreen forest. These forests are found in the region where winter are mild and rainfall is abundant throughout the year. These are found in the continent in middle latitude. These are mixed forest with both broadleaf and needle leaf tree and both hardwood and softwood trees. The main species are pine, wattle, camphor, mulberry, eucalyptus, etc. These trees have a good commercial values and commonly found in southeastern USA, southern China, southern eastern Brazil and also eastern coast of South Africa and Australia. And now I am going to talking about the wildlife. The wildlife in the temperate forest include the game, pandas, deer, antelopes, monkeys, bear, wolves, foxes and the large variety of birds like falcon, eagles, pelicans, cranes and grebes etc. Temperate deciduous forest. These forests are found in areas with a warm wet summer and cool winter. Rainfall are here throughout the year with the maximum rainfall in summer. The trees are tall, having broad leaves with a dense canopy. Summer in winter they are shed their leaves completely. The leaves of these trees change into bright color just before they shed. The common species are oak, ash, beech, maple, poplar, redwood, birch, firs and elm. They are found in northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, southern Chile and wildlife. Next one is the wildlife. The wildlife is the region consists of deer, foxes, wolves, beavers, bison, bears, wild cats, etc. Birds like peasants, monals, warblers, grosses, woodpeckers, and these all are the wildlife which are found in the temperate deciduous forest. Dear children, and next one is the Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forest. These forests are generally found in area which are on the southern western margin of the continent Australia and South America, characterized by winter rainfall and dry summer. These trees are these regions Mediterranean forest. These forests are generally found in areas which are on the southwestern margins of the continents Australia and South America, characterized by winter rainfall and dry summer. Trees of these regions adapt themselves very well to dry summer with the help of a thick bark, deep roots and wax coated narrow leaves which help them to reduce transpiration. These trees are extremely commercial value because they are used for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. The software of these forests are also the softwood of these forests are also used for making matchbox, toy, sports goods, packing boxes, furniture and plywood etc. The main species found of these forests are pine, fir, spruce and larch. The main areas rich of forest are southern Canada, Russia, Norway, northern parts of America, Europe, Asia and Sweden. Wildlife. I am going to discuss with you wildlife. The animal in this forest have a thick skin and a fur to protect them from a extreme cold. They are small in size: silver foxes, mink, polar bears, walrus, seal, owls, musk, oxen, squirrel, etc. These all are the wildlife which are found in the Mediterranean forest. Dear children, we will discuss the grassland in our next video. Thank you for watching. That is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.